Hello guys, how are you? Today I made this clock and I have already an HTML and CSS file in CodePen. Here are my colors and I will comment this box because I don't think that I need it, I just use it for the measurement. Now in the HTML part, I'm going to start writing my classes. And I will need a head blue. I'm just naming it like this because the class will have a color of blue, and then I'll need a blue copy, a yellow and a white head. Now for the head blue, as always, I'm going to have a circular shape with absolute position, top left width, height, background and of course border, and the border radius will be 50%. Now for the head copy, I just want the exact same thing but without any border, and I'm going to use border radius, sorry. So now for the head yellow part, I pretty much want the same thing but a little bit smaller, and the same goes for the white part. I wanted to mention that all the codes, both for the HTML and CSS part, will be linked down in the description box, and also you can find it on GitHub. Now for the bullet time, I'm just going to have some bullets, and it will be pretty much the same thing for everywhere. I'm going to have this center bullet, and then I'm going to have 4 bullets for 12, 13, sorry, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock and 24. You don't have to change a lot of things here, just top or bottom and then left or right. And that's it. I decided for the other hours and for the other classes to just make the bullets a little bit smaller, and we are ready. You don't have again to change a lot of things, just change the properties from left to right and top to bottom. Now I'm going to write the classes for hour, minute and minute hour. And now I'm going to use the shape tool, which I will also link in the description box. It helps you to make these shapes much more easier than to do it with pure CSS. Of course, it's again pure CSS, but it's an easier way. And I'm going to do exactly the same things for the minute and minute arrow. Okay, that's it. You can also use the properties of rotate to just rotate the arrow, and don't use again the clippy tool. Now I will adjust it exactly where I want it. Oh yes, I think I like it. And now the final part is going to be, I call it legs. I don't know what's the proper name, but I'm going to have a leg left and a right leg. You can now use the clippy tool or just give this parallelogram shape, which is easier. I think I like it, so I'm going to continue with the ears. Again, call them ears, but they're not ears. It will be a round shape. First, I'll need this parallelogram again for the down part, and the left and the right it's the same but change from the clippy tool. Yes, that's it. So now I'm going to write the middle part will be this circular thing. Yes, I like that. And now last but not least we will have the top part, which again will be this half circle but a little bit smaller. And very last thing to change the properties, and now we are ready. Thank you very much, guys.